Best GPS units reviewed. With outdoor exploration and off-grid adventures on the rise, handheld GPS units have become essential tools for hikers, hunters, and emergency preppers. These compact devices offer superior satellite tracking, offline navigation, and weather resistance in environments where smartphones fall short. List number 1. BH Navanava Pro F78 Waterproof Handheld GPS Units. The BH Navanava Pro F78 is a reliable GPS unit tailored for serious outdoor use. This waterproof device supports GPS plus GLONASS, ensuring solid signal reception even in deep forests or rugged mountain terrain. It's equipped with a 2.2 sunlight-readable display and a responsive button interface, ideal for gloved use during hiking or fishing. Its IPX7 water resistance rating makes it well-suited for harsh weather. List number: Garmin GPS Map 65, button-operated handheld with expanded satellite support. The Garmin GPS Map 65 stands out for its multi-band GNSS support, including GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, QZSS, and IRNSS, giving it top-tier signal accuracy even under tree cover or in canyons. The rugged design includes a durable casing, waterproof rating, and tactile buttons that are perfect for challenging environments. The high-sensitivity receiver ensures fast and consistent positioning, while the device is preloaded. List number 3. Garmin GPS Map 67i Rugged GPS Handheld with InReach satellite technology. The Garmin GPS Map 67i is a premium GPS unit that combines rugged mapping with InReach satellite communication, allowing for two-way messaging and SOS signaling in remote areas. No cell service required. It supports all major satellite systems for pinpoint accuracy and includes preloaded topo-active maps with 165 hours of battery life in standard mode and up to 1,800 hours in expedition mode. List number 4. Garmin InReach Mini 2, lightweight and compact satellite communicator. The Garmin InReach Mini 2 is a minimalist adventurer's dream. This palm-sized device weighs just 3.5 ounces, yet packs impressive capabilities. It supports global satellite messaging through the Iridium network, enabling you to send and receive texts and trigger SOS alerts anywhere in the world. While it's not a full-fledged mapping GPS, it integrates with Garmin's Explore app for mapping. List number 5. Garmin Montana 700 Rugged GPS Handheld, routable mapping for roads and trails. The Garmin Montana 700 is a powerhouse GPS for both trail and road navigation. Featuring a large 5-inch touchscreen, this unit offers turn-by-turn directions on and off the grid. Its multi-GNSS support ensures accurate tracking in all terrains, while its compatibility with City Navigator maps lets you navigate urban streets as easily as mountain paths. The rugged design includes glove-friendly touch operation,